Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by protecting your system. Create a system restore point and run Regedit as administrator so changes are reversible. Once done, export the full registry hive to an external drive using file right arrow export and pick all. Make sure to name the backup with the date and keep it separate from the system disk. This step prevents permanent damage, so do not skip it. Now that your backup exists, proceed to identify which keys you want reset and prepare any default reg files you'll need to apply. Next, apply the defaults. Import a validated reg file or copy official Hive files from a clean install. If a key rejects changes, take ownership via permissions, assign administrators full control, and try again. This ensures edits will stick. Once ownership is set, use file right arrow import in Regedit or run reg import path /file. Reg from an elevated command prompt. For many entries, use PowerShell with start process reg. exe argument list import file. Reg verb run as finish by restarting Windows so registry changes fully initialize and services reload their settings. Once rebooted, verify behavior against expected defaults and check Event Viewer for related errors. If something looks wrong, act quickly. Import your exported reg backup or run system restore to the point you created earlier. One key troubleshooting tip. If a specific app breaks, restore only that app's keys instead of the whole registry to isolate impact. And always test on a non-critical machine first in future changes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.